What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be changing the oil in my 1998 Toyota Camry. It's the 2.2 liter. And as you can see, the oil change is at 3,873 miles. So it's definitely due for an oil change. And here's everything you're going to need for the oil change. So you'll need a 14mm socket and ratchet, your choice of oil, and oil filter. I'm using this cheap SuperTech high mileage full synthetic 5W30 from Walmart because I ain't got a whole lot of money right now. And then I got this Fram Extra Guard oil filter. You can use whatever oil and oil filter you want. This is just what I have. You'll need a oil wrench and an oil filter wrench if it don't come with by hand, and a drain plug and filter, or a drain pan and funnel, and I'll have some empty quarts to pour my oil into so it don't get all over the place. Next, what you'll want to do is just lift the oil stick and open up the cap, which is hot right now because I just drove to Walmart to get the oil. Okay, there it goes. Just loosen it up and set it off to the side. Alright, I don't need to put my car on jack and jack stands, although you can if you need, but I got really long arms so I can just reach under there. Alright, and when you're under the car, there is the oil pan, and there's the drain plug right there in the middle of the screen. You want to loosen that with the 14mm and make sure you got your drain plug under it. Okay, and this is going to be hard to record, but whenever you crack it loose, what you want to do is, let me see, you want to help push up on the bolt, and then whenever it gets all the way loose, then you want to lift down. So I'll try to show you. I can't get two hands under here, but you loosen it with your fingers. It's going to be hot. And then you want to push up on the bolt while you're loosening it. And then whenever it gets all the way loose, you want to lift down really fast, like that. And then you want to let it drain for, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes. Let me try to turn this video off. Alright, and while it's draining, you want to just clean the oil plug. You don't have to replace the copper washer or nothing. I've never done it. You can if you want. And also, while it's draining, you can go ahead and loosen this, but when you loosen it, oil is going to get down on your engine. So what I suggest is to take like an old towel or rag or something, and then just stuff it underneath the filter best you can. And then loosen it. I'm not going to do that. I'll just swap it up when I'm done. But yeah, it's very hot under here, so you'll probably need a microfiber here, and then just loosen it by your hand. If you can't, I can't get it by my hand, so I'm gonna have to use the filter or the wrench. Alright, so finally, after about 10 minutes of messing with it and peeling the skin off my thumb, I finally got it loose. So there wasn't no oil come out. That's weird. Why is there no oil coming out? It already drained to the bottom where it took me so long to get it off. Yeah. Probably that's what happened. It all drained out of the filter. Because it took me like 20 minutes to get it off. At least I hope that's what happened. That's kind of worrisome. But I do believe if there wasn't no oil getting up in the filter, that would mean the oil pump is bad. Which would also mean I would already hear noises coming from my engine. But anyway, you want to clean the surface of the oil filter here. And also clean down inside of it if you want. A little bit. And make sure that the O-ring came off with the filter and it's not stuck on the engine. That's weird. I don't know, oil came out. Alright, and then to put the new one on, what you want to do is take it, flip it upside down, open the new quart of oil, and a hole in it, stick your finger down in it, and then just rub it all around your new filter. And also you want to pour a little bit of oil in your new filter, just a little bit though. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Alright. Okay, that should be good enough up there. And then you can put the lid back on there for now. Alright, and then you want to put this new filter on. And it's very simple, just screw it on there. You don't want to torque it down with the wrench or nothing. Just get it nice and hand tight, and that should be good. Alright, next, what you want to do is get the old oil out from under the car, clean the drain plug, and also clean the surface of the pan where you remove the drain plug up there. Just clean it. And then you want to hand tighten the plug at first. So you find the hole. Alright, and then just hold on a second. Alright, and after you get the plug hand tight, what you then want to do is take the ratchet, put over the plug, put it on the tighten, and then you don't want to over torque this. Just get it good and snug, about like that, up there, and then that's got that. And after you tighten the drain plug, come up to the top. I can't really do this on camera because I ain't got no one to film for me, but you want to add 4 quarts of your oil to your engine. Alright, so after you get done adding the 4 quarts, you want to check the oil and make sure it's full. Can't really see on my end because it's very clear, but I can see that it is full on oil. And after you check the oil and make sure it's full, you want to put your cap back on and clean up your mess, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, and then last but not least, what you want to do, get in your car, start it up, alright, and then come over to your, okay, that's how many miles I've put on my car since I got it, and then that's my oil change. So you want to reset this one, and there you go. I want to thank you all for watching. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place. This was like the first time I've ever done a maintenance video, I guess you could say. And yes, and I'll see you in the next one.